Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to delete games from Roblox Studio. So firstly, after opening Windows, we need to go to the search panel of Windows and type Roblox Studio. Then click on open. Let Roblox Studios open properly first. After that, go to the left side and click on My Games. From here, you can see all the games you currently have, and in order to delete it, you have to click on the three dots on the top right corner, then click on Archive. It will not completely delete the game, but it will make it private, and all servers of it will shut down. To check your archived games, go to the archive section, and in here you will find all your archived games. You can also click on the three dot here to restore a game. If you restore a game, it will be restored with its former glory.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.